Welcome to this morning meditation, a time just for you to relax, restore, and prepare for the beautiful day ahead. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Let your hands rest softly and allow your breath to guide you into this moment. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And exhale, releasing any tension from your body. Again, inhale deeply, feeling the fresh morning air awaken your spirit. And exhale, letting go of yesterday's worries. With each breath, feel yourself becoming lighter, calmer, more centered. Your breath is your anchor, gently pulling you into this peaceful present moment. Now, bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a warm, golden light slowly washing over you, relaxing your forehead, your eyes, your jaw. Feel your neck release any tightness. Your shoulders drop away from your ears. Picture yourself standing in the gentle light of the rising sun. The air is fresh, the sky painted with soft gold and pink hues. You feel grounded, confident, and ready to meet the day. In your mind, repeat silently, I am calm, I am clear, I am ready. Today, I welcome peace into everything I do. With each breath, imagine yourself moving through the day with grace and ease, seeing challenges as opportunities and joy in the small moments. Begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, take a deep breath in. Exhale with a smile, knowing you've given yourself the gift of presence this morning. Carry this calm energy with you, and remember, peace is always just one breath away.